Guys, she canceled the flight and she's back here.
Of course, where Kino is.
Look, Shane just come back from the airport.
Yeah.
You know. Oh God, Shane is back from the airport.
Yeah, the thing is here, peeps.
Guys, she canceled her flight. Oh Lord.
Cancel the flight.
Everything they here, everything.
Boy, I'm
So clean. You come with me?
No, I can't never miss you.
Of course.
Guys, she canceled her flight to come back here in
I'm
Kingston.
starting afresh again, right where it all started.
Right time. Well. Chee! I catch him the right time. Who's this? Man like Jin.
You doing good today?
Guys, it's been many years I don't see this face, right?
You good?
Just touched down off the plane.
No way. Walk on, man.
This is Seal.
You're looking fresh, dude.
Yeah, man.
I like the shades.
Just come off the plane, man.
Just come off the plane.
No, it's been cool.
From where?
Canada. From
I'm
Canada.
here in Jamaica and don't go nowhere. Don't follow me.
Imagine that you can live here in Jamaica
Yep.
and look fresh as how you look.
Jamaicans, they got style.
Yeah.
They know how to dress.
Yes. Come on, man is talented. Right.
And I sing in style and I do rubber dub DJ.
Yeah. So yeah, give a rubber dub.
I give 'em. Ra-la-la-la, me and Kino say up on a race road.
Hey.
Jamana people them carry every load.
Hey.
I'm an happy tell them let a good times roll.
Hey.
Me and mother Teresa wind up.
Hey.
Jamana say ya me and boy I sip a cup.
Hey.
When me attack I say ya chant rubber dub.
Hey. Yeah, DJ then. Hey.
Bum bum be dum bum. Trench down. Bum bum be dum bum. Bob Marley. That's all I know how to do.
Yeah.
That's the only lick they told me.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm gonna say every
I
time.
just say bam bam bilam bam, we in a trench town, bam bam bilam bam, bam Marley hometown, bam bam bilam bam, we run the whole place, bam bam bilam bam, musical be culture,
Bum bum be dum bum.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, blessed love, good morning. Yes, I'm here back in Kingston. You know, I'm here in Kingston. I guess you guys wondering, where's D, right? But I'm here in Kingston, same way, but I guess he's on our way here back in Kingston here to meet up, to get some things started and everything, you know. And also I got an ex-YouTuber, Seal and Tour as well too, we're gonna link up and do some collaboration as well today. You know, he want to visit Trenchtown because he see the program and he like to visit Trenchtown. We can see what Trenchtown is like, you know. So his name is Seal and Tour. You know, he's also a traveler as well too. He's from Canada. You probably see him on Jamaica walk by his channel as well too. Yeah, so we're gonna link up today. I'm gonna take him inside of Trenchtown. And also we have the Mwango is on her way as well to back here in Kingston for us to link up, so she can get some 1 or 2 things started, get her hair done and all these things. So I'm here in halfway tree, you know. Yeah, so guys, so I'm here in halfway tree in the pavilion, so I'm just waiting on her to arrive, you know, because she's on her way as well to, oh my days, and Shane is taking her. Only if I did remember. Yes guys, so you know, for the time being I'm gonna get myself a patty. you know, while they're on their way, because I'm feeling a bit peckish now, so I think I will get myself a patty. So we're in the Halfway Tree Pavilion Plaza. That's where we are now. We have Burger King in here as well too, and that is the JUTC bus park over there. You know, and there, in here, you know, we got many car parks. You know, you have everything as well to here in the Pavilion Plaza. You know, it goes as well too. Barber, you have the barber walk out in the video as well too. Yes, guys, so you know I'm just here waiting and Dean one go, so while I'm waiting I'm just gonna get myself a patty as well too. So this is the Pavilion Plaza here in Halfway Tree. So who never been to the Pavilion Plaza know what it's like, and this is what it's like behind me. So I'm heading on the main road here to grab myself a patty for traffic change. Can I beat this? Nah. I might be Superman, but I can't beat this traffic. That's in general. So, just weird. That's where everything goes, you know, in the art of Halfway Tree. Let me try to beat this traffic now. Hey. Yes guys, so we're in the art of Halfway Tree now, so might as well, while I'm here, I'm gonna contact Seal and see if he's ready as well too. So hopefully he's ready and everything. So yes guys, so here's Mothers here, you know, Mothers is in here as well too, in Halfway Tree. Over there is JTC bus park, where you get all your buses and everything. So we have Mothers right here. Get myself a Mothers bus.
Woman friend, you know what the family was here, one day somebody now was to come and here after only come and somebody. It must be found and reach that somebody actually lives in a mind. You may understand, oh, nobody knows.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, power party.
Power party. Give me some power.
Yeah.
Let me get 2 and 2 quarter bread, please. Can I?
No cards here?
No cards.
Cash.
Let me get 2 separate bags, please.
Sure. Two soy and 2 cocoa bread?
Yeah, 2 separate bags. Yes guys, so I got myself 2 patties, you know, obviously one for Dee. I know she's a patty lady, but even though she eats so many patties, she eats so many patties, so to get used to patty, you know, she like kind of, you know, unwind herself away from all the patties. So she just phoned me, said she here in Halfway Tree. I think they're entering Halfway Tree now, so I don't know exactly where in Halfway Tree they are. Hey, they need to put a pedestrian here, man. It's too far to go get that pedestrian. You know, sometimes we'll be short-handed to cross the road. Where I'm crossing now, it's not easy to cross, you know. As you can see, the cross you have to go all the way up by the pedestrian. But look at this, man, look how he's gonna cross. Jamaican way. But guys, no, I won't cross like that. I will wait till the traffic die down. Look at that, look. No, what she's running now, no. Yeah guys, but I won't cross like that. I will literally wait till the traffic die down. Like this one. Like now. Respect. Traffic die down so I cross. It's very close when you're crossing in Jamaica when the traffic is like this. So yes, I'm back in the pavilion, as you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna go and eat my patty, you know, while the reach here. So they're in auto through. I guess it's not far, even though at this time the road is kind of busy with traffic. Right. It's really busy with traffic. So alright, so guys, let me enjoy my party while I wait on Shane and D. I'm not only going to enjoy this party, I'm going to enjoy the AC because outside is boiling hot. Can someone please turn the AC up outside? Sometimes it's so hot, you're like, why is it so hot? Then when it starts raining, like, why is it raining? You know? And when you got none of them, you're like, why is the weather like this? But yeah, we give thanks anyway. So. But guys, I'm gonna eat this patty. I'm not gonna bite my tongue on camera for you to laugh at me like the last time. So I guess I'll catch you back when easier. Right, guys, the sun is hot. Here they are. Shovel. I'm good. We are take out. I look here to one. Guys, so finally they're here. You know, they just arrived. The sun is hot. You know the sun is hot, so I have to put my shades on, you know. One thing with the sun, whenever the sun is hot, you have to squeeze up your eye like. I don't like doing that. So when you put on the sun, it stops you from squeezing your eye up. Alright, so I rather not squeeze my eyes up, boy. But guess what? Shane is here and D is here. They're parking up. So D finally arrived. This car park is busy. Busy. Go forward now, go forward and come back. Huh? Come on,
100 pounds a chair, them 250.
one of the wives. Come back now, Shane.
Alright, spot there, say there, man. Well, there, so come out and road, sheep.
Yeah. How much is this?
100 pounds a sheep, 250. Go on, sheep. She bag on artist, see me out today now. We can do price today. Oh, eh?
Sail out.
No, bro. Remember, see me here is ID and I post me see and I post me.
Yeah, Shane.
The king may
Big up
spend
yourself, you know.
some years
Go on.
with shopping and the West and the preacher what he like he spend.
Can't see you.
We are one day we're going to Panama.
Hey, the man a DJ. Hey, and we have Demo and girls here. I thought you left already.
Not today.
I thought you left already, D.
Who left?
Guys, D's not ready to leave yet. Look. She's not ready to leave yet, guys. Look. She's back here. Hey, guys, she canceled the flight and she's back here.
Of course, where Kino is.
Look, Shane just come back from the airport.
Yeah.
You know.
Everything stuck out.
Oh gosh, Shane is back from the airport.
Yeah, everything is here, peeps.
Guys, she canceled her flight. Oh Lord.
Cancel the flight.
Everything they here, everything.
Boy, my car never miss you. You never miss our car?
One close there, one
Huh?
close.
So clean. You can't miss me?
No, my car never miss you.
Of course.
Guys, she canceled her flight to come back here in
I'm
Kingston.
starting afresh again, right where it's all started.
Yeah, right here. Oh Lord. I thought they left already. I couldn't believe. She canceled the flight and she's back.
Back to my Lamborghini. Back to my private
my
car.
God. Oh gosh. Look now.
Wow, you know, we are going somewhere, you have your bag.
Yeah, that's my charity bag.
Oh.
You know, when I'm back in Kingston, I have to get the charity bag. Back to work. Huh? I have to get the charity bag back to look. Can't believe the plane missed you.
I missed the flight.
Guys, she missed the flight. Whoa. Really going back.
The flight.
Guys, she
The flight.
canceled her flight. Imagine, she canceled the flight. She canceled the flight wherever she was going. And look, she's back again.
No, I missed the flight. I didn't cancel. I missed it.
No, she never missed it. She canceled it. She canceled, guys. Imagine that.
This
Imagine.
just looks so good. Clean, like,
So,
like you're going somewhere.
look, the suitcase match me.
Of course, not me, no.
No, so it's like I'm going somewhere, not her, guys. Look, I'm flying out, not her. See, I'm flying out. So, yes, she's back. Oh my. So
This flower is for Esther.
so we move out the whole house.
Of course.
We have our pot them though.
What?
Yeah, we have.
Oh, you keep them?
Yeah, we have keep the
Okay.
pot. Yeah.
That seems like, so where the bed? Where's the bed?
And the sheet.
Where's the bed?
Yeah, where's the bed?
Kid is asking me where's the bed. I moved out with the whole
Exactly,
house.
because you move out with the whole house.
The bed is in the car. The mattress.
This could go on a plane, D. What you doing, man? That could go on a plane.
Kid is so
So I guess that's it then, right? She will fly with her plant. She's flying with her plant. Imagine, she's flying with her plant. Oh Lord. Hey Shane, I imagine
Thank you so much.
when you come back at Kingston side,
That is it, no peeps.
Shane is the best.
That is it, man.
That is
when
it.
you coming back to Kingston side, come on, mama give me all that perfume for gear, you know.
Oh, yeah. You
Yeah,
see the one that you
I
asked
remember.
me today?
You know, it come like a trench town and want me coming.
That trench zone there, I see you, brother.
Ah.
He was asking me what is that color, and then I said Kino's mom bought it. Then I forgot to tell
Yeah,
him.
that
No,
one-
no,
nice.
Pink one is different. The one where you have different.
Yeah, I would appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Tell
we have
man, thanks,
different.
man.
Yeah.
I mean,
Kino's
Oh
mommy.
boy. So wait, yeah, going back. Heading
yeah,
back to
me I
Ocean.
go ask- yeah, what you want to go back. But me I go put down today. Because probably a morning, or step up and
No, I have it, brother.
The way I go there. Town.
Yeah, I got that. Well, we that town and we move around. You know, me that OTC and whatsoever. I don't know
When
where I'm
you
going.
go Mobile?
No, she's going there.
Yeah. Or you can pick it from there.
I give B and come pick it up front.
Alright then.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yeah, man.
So you definitely go Mobile go pick it from
yeah,
her?
man, we come on Mobile.
If you don't come for it, I'll give it to
Exactly.
somebody.
You know what's gonna happen. So says
I don't ask
so you have
for
to be
it.
sure.
What serve too long, serve too master them.
Yeah, so you have to be sure, cause once it's here with
No
the
man, I'm
B.
sure man.
I'll go with
Cash
it.
it
Yeah.
yeah. More man.
I'll give it to my Rasta.
I'll line up myself.
See, she's planning to give it to the Rasta.
I'll give it to just know that I'm telling you for free.
Exactly.
You have to just let me know when I
Yes.
get. Now go reach a Mobile.
I'll give you a call.
Yeah man, then we'll line up myself. Man.
So if she don't give you a call, call her, cause
Yeah,
like
call
how she have the
her.
Rasta in her mind, she might really give it to the
Yeah,
Rasta.
yeah,
So you
yeah.
know
Yeah.
My Rasta has
Rome.
to smell good.
Exactly.
Romance.
you know? You get you putting that in the car as well?
Yeah.
Alright, so you say you gonna get here?
I'm going to go look lunch. And
Yeah,
go.
look lunch.
So now what?
Yeah, I'm going to walk.
No?
Look for her.
Yeah, get her here. And then yeah, come have what's his name? YouTuber guy I was telling about Seed on tour. I got pick him up as well to when time she get her here, they will go back go to Trenchtown.
Alright.
Cause he's local.
Every time I'm over there. Yeah.
Alright then.
Big up yourself.
Alright, I'll see you, Sheikh. Bye.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself for that
Hopefully
day.
you come for the
No, man.
Not hopefully you need to.
Remember say that is the last time I'm going to see in Jamaica. You know? So I'm going to
Yeah.
make myself available.
Please. Cause if not, at the Rasta man I go smell like that.
I'm only mine. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, alright, big up bro. Cause guys, the other Rasta man already on our mind, you know. So please Shane, go and get it. Oh.
Kino. So what next? We
You
go
gonna get it here?
Okay,
Same
let's
place
go.
here? Remember you get it here?
I'm back, guys. I missed my flight. I cancelled my flight. Whatever.
Can you believe that guys? She canceled the flight, you know, to spend a couple more days or weeks.
Of course. I want to see Kino more.
Hey.
So I just cancelled. This is the same place that we were last time, though.
Yeah, to get it here.
Yeah. But you know what? People love this hair so much. Kino, I'm going to get the same hair. I have 2 packs. I need 1 pack.
The same thing? This?
Yes.
Remember you get this in Ochi.
Yeah. But I can still get it here. I have 2 packs. I just need 1.
Okay. Oh, so you want about the same style?
Yes. New one, but same style.
Alright. It serves you long though.
Yeah, it's not even like mashed up. It's only that I need to wash the hair because of swimming and everything. And because I have a special occasion coming, I need to look fly.
Not these. She need to look fly. Not these. Fly.
Yeah. Tina, say hello. You didn't actually say hello.
Yeah, so well. I'm good man. Respect. Well, Kina is back. No, not Kina is back. D is back. You know, I'm here same way. Kina life in Jamaica. We back again. She couldn't leave without coming back and cancel the flight for a couple of days. You know, so guys, so if you haven't checked out Kina life in Jamaica, what are you waiting on?
You need to do
You
the
know,
thing. Go.
looking at my eyes. Let me take my glasses off. Right? Oh, here's
Best
the
lighting
issue.
is from this
Yes,
area,
I take my glasses off.
so they can see
So you
you.
can see my eyes. I'm not lying. I never saw you subscribe. Why you didn't subscribe? You
We
I'm
need to get to
talking
50k before I'm in the next plane.
Exactly. Come on, guys. 50k before she's on the next plane.
Yeah.
Right? And if you get 50k, she stay another 3 weeks.
That is it.
That is it.
So guys, let's look for the hair. You know, I'm looking for this same hair. Now I didn't even carry it from the car to show them. Let's go. I need to carry
But
the
you,
pack.
you have it on already.
Yeah. You think they'll know the name?
Yeah. Oh, the last time I said we can't flag in here. Your clothes? Oh, push.
Oh, I think it's here. No. It's not this one.
Hello.
But it looks like this.
You have this?
Yeah.
Not the same color.
Which color do you have? 1 week.
Alright, come.
I need to carry the hair to show people. I think it's hard for them to know which hair exactly.
Alright.
Let me just try.
I'm standing out the sun. Yes guys, so she didn't get the hair that she wants, so we're gonna go over by where they got another hair shop to see if I can get it. Oh, they have Pristine Plaza called Judy, so we're gonna go that way, see if we can get it.
It's not even close to what she was saying. Look at this. This is what I'm looking for.
Oh, cause she used that with the black, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't want black. I just want this. I just need one more pound.
How many ears?
Two. She used three.
Three.
Yeah, 3 for this. So I just need one more. If we don't get, she can reuse some of this from the back. I told people I want to do the candles or this. Everybody was like, take back the locks.
Yes.
Yeah. And you know, this is durable, you know? The candles is just for a short while.
Voila.
You are mad. Wow.
The people are driving mad in Jamaica. They drive mad. And you have to wonder something. Look at the old papa driving. So old papa driving. So over there. Oh, it's over there. You can see. Oh, there, come catch a light.
Welcome back to Halfway at 3 where it all started.
They come. Run the run. Can you know them driver here at Jamaica?
I'm too thick, I can't run now.
This way.
Something else.
Too thick, you know, and run off everything, right?
I don't want to drop anything.
Take it back to where you're going, right?
Of course.
Just say, Jamaica did this.
Jamaica did the thing. Of course, you remember when I first came, I was like, right now, look at me, guys. Big
Kings.
mama.
This is a new plaza.
Big mama. Look at what they love. Yo, this is a sign for sure I should stay. You got the thing of Boy, big boy.
I'm gonna buy myself a donkey. Yeah. Of course. Don't you see how many traffic is on the road?
Or a horse.
Yes. I'll stick to the donkey. Yeah, man. Donkey is the original car back in the days, yeah? Yeah. This one.
Right, let's get some more hair. Hey, this looks so beautiful and pretty. It's too long. All silent.
Where is it? Ask him. Yes. How you doing?
Can I get a picture of my husband watching it every day?
Thank you so much. Pick him up. Come this. You want a picture?
If I come to me, my butt's in the bar. Let's see if I can take the selfie. Will I take one picture?
So,
You like a selfie thing.
I'm the third one.
Yeah.
And,
Another one. You only take one kilo?
It's a ticking timing.
Okay, thank you so much as well. Nice meeting
Yeah, man.
you.
Nice meeting you as well, yeah? Alright, thank you.
Hard.
It's Not as bad as Negril though.
Yes, not as bad as
No.
this. Negril is something else.
Not as bad, so cannot complain too much. Alright guys, so we're gonna meet up with Seal and Tour now. You know, they never got through with what first of the year get through on. So we're gonna meet up with Seal and Tour now, go get him, and then we're gonna head to Trenchtown. You know, the hometown. That is
My favorite place.
that is where the party all day.
I just love the vibe there.
Exactly. Meet up with Baby Dream.
Okay, no, we didn't get anything for her. Come on, I think that shop that we went has something.
Where?
Like that shop. Getting something for Dream Baby.
Baby Dream.
Wow, 2000. Yeah, but it looks so cute.
Nice.
White and this. When is her birthday, Kino? You don't know the tingle.
I don't even remember, to be honest.
So this is for 2 years old. It looks so small on Dream.
Dream is small. You could remember babies are growing though.
Okay.
So they grow.
What about these dresses? They're big.
Hmm? You buy her two then.
2 years. So 2 years.
Yeah.
You can use the blue dress. That one green.
Nah. Not the color.
What, you want the light blue one too?
Yeah.
Right, that one. Champagne, sorry.
Yeah. This is more. What age is that? 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks so classy.
Yeah. Give her class.
Give her some class and Empress vibes, not ghetto vibes.
That would be Baby Dream.
How much for this?
4,500.
No discount?
No?
And we're getting 2?
Just 7,000 is the total.
Only?
2,500. Only 7,000.
And she's saying only.
Only 7,000.
Hey, alright guys, I'm getting something here for my baby.
Hey.
Wow. Give me a discount.
Yeah, tell them again, everyone.
Every day and night.
Every day, every night.
Thank
So,
you
man,
so much. We
don't
appreciate
stop.
it.
Big up yourself, man. Give yourself
man,
a shout out.
Alright, big up, big up to my sister. Graduation, I going over Police Academy.
Yeah?
Yeah, Twickenham.
Oh, congratulations. So she's going to be the po-po. Congratulations. When you see me on the road, please don't arrest me. I'm innocent, right? So tell her to watch me so she know what I look like.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Alright.
Tell her to tell the folks to look out for Kino whenever I see him and D1 go, yeah. So we're innocent, right? Right. That is it. The Jews probably get hot.
Oh, yeah. Now we can go.
So we're gonna pick up and seal back again. So now we start back all over again from scratch. Seal on tour. All on seal.
Kino life in Jamaica.
And here we
What's
have
happening?
we have a guest here. We have D Mwango.
Hey, what's
Oh,
up?
go on. You good?
Good, Nolan.
No,
Good to meet
let me help you fix those.
Oh, my luggage.
All your luggage? You not from around here?
No, she's a traveler like yourself.
Beginner traveler.
A beginner?
Yes.
Cool. So where are you beginning? Where are you starting?
Jamaica is home now.
Yeah?
I'm beginning with Jamaica.
Just like Seal.
Yeah,
My
man.
brother, Seal on tour.
Give us tips now. How many countries done?
How many countries I've been to? Not many. I try not to count, but I'm probably at like 30.
30.
I'm not trying to like go to countries quick and like get a almost like count them, you know? Like a lot of people want to get as many countries
yeah,
they
but
can.
YouTubers, you must create content, you know?
What's that?
as a YouTuber, must create content. You don't just rush for the sake of rush.
Yeah, so I like to go back to places that I really enjoyed. Like I was in Jamaica like a little over a year ago. Really enjoyed it here. Great vibe. So it's like I'm probably gonna come back here every year if I can. And then like, I mean, I'm going to Brazil next, but a lot of my plans after that are the countries I've already been to. You know?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm not desperate to go to every country in the world. Maybe one day it would be nice, but for now I'm just going where it's a good vibe. And I love it here, man.
And we have Seal here, and he's from Canada.
Yeah,
and
man.
He's also a traveler.
Do you know Christmas list?
Yeah, he's my boy.
Then if he's your boy,
Yeah, he's
my brother.
He's your brother. Okay.
He's my elder brother.
Sorry, guys.
I think it was Chris that told you about me, right?
Yeah, I saw you in his video in Trenchtown, and it was the one about your foundation. And how you're building homes. Big up to Kino for that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So yeah, that's how I saw you, and then Chris is the man. Like he told me
he's the big man.
He told me everyone I can get in contact with while I'm here in Jamaica. So he's cool. But also doing a couple videos with Fabian from
Jamaica
Walk By.
Yeah, cause I see you on him downtown.
Fabian's cool. Man, did you watch that downtown video?
Yeah.
That was fun.
He's got a lot of energy, you know.
Oh my gosh, it's hard to keep up with him. I found that was hard. Like I'd be vlogging and it's like hard at the same time. Well, he's like shouting and whatnot. I'm like, oh my gosh, man. It's like at times I need to like distance myself from him because he's just always like so high energy, and I try to get high energy, but
can't keep up.
It's the fact that he'll film straight up like 3 hours, not stop talking.
He's got high energy, man. Big up yourself, Jamaica Walk By.
High vocal cords. Just he's always a good vibe.
He's a reggae artist, you know, so that's where you can see where it's coming from.
We were on the street, and there was like this part of the video where there was like the sermon guy, and he was like preaching and whatnot. And like he just jumped on the drums
and started to play.
He started playing. He's a really talented musician.
Yeah, he can sing as well.
Yeah, exactly. They got me on the mic at one point too. You see that?
Bam bam bilam bam 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 bilam bam.
I'm not a music guy. I didn't even know I could do that, but like
that's happened, right?
You know, you kind of get into that mood. And you're just like, oh, I'm just gonna do it. That was cool, man.
Yes, guys. So we're gonna head to Trenchtown now. So now we just pick up Seal. You know, we're here with D. So we're gonna head in Trenchtown for him the first time to see what Trenchtown is like, linking up with the dream team and everyone down there. It's gonna feel a different vibe. You know, in Trenchtown life.
I'm just so excited to meet Dream Baby.
Baby Dream. That is it. Trenchtown.
You're from Trenchtown?
Yeah.
This is when you're born and brought up.
Yeah. Then I left here at a young age. Yeah.
You're from Kenya?
Yo!
What is That's funny, like we should send them a picture.
Big up.
Yeah.
What
I'm saying? Big up the man. I send text, I say when I near down a Rima, I have a subscriber right up at the tank to be in it.
Yeah, see them man, big up man, Empress.
Yeah, holy man, there.
Yeah man.
African princess.
Yes, sir, every time man.
Blessings, man.
Yeah man, respect for watching man, you know. Respect man.
Man, finally meet.
Yeah.
Blessings, man.
Because I know they will come up these sides as well, you know.
That me say, man.
We leave for link up man.
Text you know.
Give me the number.
Eh?
Give me the number. So I can come up them sides.
Give me all
I have no phone right now, still.
You know?
No, phone, I watch it from still.
Okay, so you know number.
Now connect you, man. I make you no man. Right, I roses, man. I make you get it.
Yeah man, I'm coming link you.
Holy blessing.
I show me around the place, yeah? Yeah man. Alright man.
There.
There.
Princess.
Okay.
Holy blessings. Finally meet them.
Yeah man, cool man. Alright, yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. When Chris is at home, I'm not at home. But we met here in Jamaica for the first time.
Trenchtown. Oh, there's Raga. Herbal. To the rose, man. Raga dance. Medicine. Oh, Raga. Richest man. And you, man.
But anyway, I don't want to put it in now.
Yeah. No, but
just say.
who's the richest man?
Yo. One of the.
Oh, see there? Listen, don't worry about how you look. That's in disguise, right?
Watch out. As somebody richest man, them know some whole boot like them.
Alright, and like them. Okay, Raga. Cool man, the richest man here in Trenchtown. One of.
People don't want to be asked to accept them. They're rich, have life you reach. You can walk you reach. Trenchtown. We are Trenchtown.
This is my hometown. The hometown.
He was born here.
Yeah, guys, finally we are in my hometown.
She's gonna show us where she grew up, where she went to school.
That's
Yes, man.
it.
Born and grow here.
By the way, say hello to my people.
Hello, people. What's going on?
Seal on the go.
Seal on the go. That's seal on the go.
I should change it. That sounds a little better.
Seal on the
I
go.
like that a little bit more.
So yeah, one of Chris' good friends. So definitely, you know, anybody who Chris links us with, you need to check them out. Now in Jamaica.
Seal on the go. See, they got a new name. Seal on the go.
I like that.
I said that because you travel so much, so it's like seal.
I am on the go, basically.
Yeah.
Seal on the go. So guys, we're here now in Trench.
In my
Town.
in my hometown.
In the hometown.
Gina, can I leave my bag in
Yeah,
here?
man, you can leave it.
So I'm just gonna bring my camera.
Yeah, you can
Me, I'm going to do my hair. I'll see you guys later.
see? She lives here, you know. She have her hair salon,
Everything at home.
everything, and oh, the air, seal and tour. Right time. Well. Cheers! I'll catch you in the right time. Who's this? Man like Jin.
You doing good today?
Guys, it's many years you don't see this face, right?
You good?
Just touched long off the plane.
Walk on, man.
This is Seal.
You're looking fresh, dude.
Yeah, man.
I like the
See?
shades.
Just come off the plane, man.
No,
Just
man,
come
no
off the
bother
plane.
with them. No bother with them.
No, he's been cool. He's
From where?
Canada. From
I'm
Canada.
here in Jamaica and don't go nowhere. Don't follow me.
Imagine that you can live here in Jamaica
Yep.
and look fresh as how he looks.
Jamaicans, they got style.
Yeah.
They know how to dress.
Yeah, so this is Jin, you know?
Gin?
One of our friends that we grew up with, you know?
Good to meet you. You guys friends since you're young?
Yeah,
Since
man.
you're youths?
Born and grew here, man.
These are all your boys here.
Yeah, this is my cousin. This is the only living hero. He's the hero. He's the only living one right now.
What's the hero?
He's a hero. He
Yeah.
saved someone's life.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
Was in the gully. I'm saving from drowning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
2017.
Big up,
Yeah, I'm a
man.
general. I'm a hero as well.
He's the hero for the cooking the food.
Oh, I was gonna say, I thought you saved him.
You know, him and
Can't swim.
Yeah, man. Yeah, look here, but the man had a bigger hero.
Yeah.
Boy, I don't want to see it on YouTube, but
Yes.
this man, yeah.
It was viral.
Now run the risk.
It was viral as well.
Now
too.
run the risk. We see if I look upon at the goal, we are seal I go down so. Water is a seal I go down so. Only hero. That's why you know.
Yeah.
Live. Boy, I mean,
One
for
team,
the
you know.
So that's the reason why I would say he's the only living hero. You know the heroes them die,
Yeah.
and he's the only one alive right
Oh,
now.
I see.
Yeah. So
Marcus gave you a hero.
Yeah.
Nani a hero.
yeah.
Sam Shaw, Paul Bogle. You see me I said, Danas, only for hero.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only for tell them.
But
Jamaica
them
have
all-
9 hero, now we
Yeah.
have 7 and 9 hero from day one, we are telling you.
Yeah.
We have next hero.
No,
see,
there's 9 hero.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you have JJ, your team are playing now. Whoa. Yeah.
Jin.
Big up yourself, my dad.
With the chains.
JJ, so give the people them a shout out, a big up my man, Keen Life in Jamaica, them know what go on.
Blessings, you know. No, a long time I don't see me still, but you know what I say? There, man. So I can start see me big up all my donors, them blessings.
Yes.
Respect every time, you see me?
Yes,
Hey,
man.
man,
But
they
them
are
always
upset,
ask, is Jinjin okay?
You know, I'm good, man. I'm good so far, you know.
Yes.
So I'm there, Keen, man. You see it?
Alright, who's that? Johnny?
Big up yourself.
Johnny, man, you know.
How is everything? Oh, this is Johnny. Hey, Johnny, what's up, man? What's up?
Johnny?
So this
How you
is
doing,
Seal.
Johnny? Seal. Good
Yeah,
to
man.
meet you, man.
Finally, now I'm here.
Yeah.
Because I was away, man. You know, I was so busy. You know, so now I'm here now. Finally, get to meet you, man. and everything.
I have 2 pictures something them and show Genius them in blood.
Yeah, cause no,
No, me not give me no
him
telephone.
sending me the picture on the phone.
Yeah, so
You know, so I've seen it.
sign.
Yeah, man. Oh, so I have to sign it.
Yeah, I was trying to
You have to sign it, right? Wow. So what's Johnny from?
San Diego.
San Diego. Cali.
From San Diego.
Yeah, he's from Canada.
Oh,
See, from Canada. You
I'll
know.
just come there.
Yes. So Jin, we're looking to see you forward. You know, the viewers them miss you in action. You know.
Big up yourself.
So them go want to know, say Ginger all is well,
Alright,
you know,
man,
just
love,
been
man.
taking some time off himself.
Definitely.
And as I can see, you say, wow, it look like it just came from off the plane, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is how you can look
It
when
looks
you're in
like it just
Jamaica.
came from the Gucci store.
Hey!
Something like that.
No,
Yeah,
well, shop.
I say go, man. That's part of life, you know.
That's what I'm saying. In life, you have to always stay positive.
Definitely.
No worries, no stress. So when you're stress free, it won't show, you know?
Yeah,
You show like every life is all well. I remember, you know, it's when what you're thinking inside, you show outside. So inside, if you're feeling so bad, thinking bad, feeling bad,
Yeah,
it's gonna show on the
project
outside.
that.
Project there. So.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's living a free life, you know, relaxing, enjoying life while it's your
Good afternoon. How are
afternoon.
you? Welcome. Good to meet you.
Yes. So that is it, man. Caesar around there as well. Caesar, you walk?
Yeah, man, she's around here, man.
Come and walk. Jin. Yeah, man. We here, man.
Alright.
Listen to me.
So yes, guys. So we here. You know it goes already. We have Seal.
Where'd Dee go?
She's getting her hair done.
Okay.
Getting some styles and things. East Street. How you doing?
Oh, they all know Kino here.
Yeah, man.
Kino's the Don.
No, Dan.
No Don.
No, we don't deal with that. You know, even this house as well too. That house right here, this house.
Yeah.
We built that house as well too.
Okay, yeah, you built it? Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
show
so
you the
maybe this is a
outside.
good place to start talking about it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tell Caesar I'm coming, yeah? Keep telling the music,
Yeah.
come.
So you built this house here, Kino?
Yeah, we and from donation and my members them.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is the house that we built. This is the recent one.
So can you tell me about the foundation though? Like, do people just donate to it? Is it coming from your...
Hey, how is everything, my brother?
Everything blessed, Kino. No, I tell you, I big up for everything you're doing.
Yeah,
Dream
man.
team.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, man. And Mother Teresa. And
One dream team, one trench.
one dream team, one trench stone. You see that, guys? So we have, hold on. So we have Johnny here, you know. One dream team, one trench town. This man never stop watch and never stop support, you know. Nothing but love. Johnny himself. So, oh, you like
Big
it?
up, the mango and everybody.
Yeah, you see her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me not meet she yet, but
Yeah, okay. She's here, man. She's up there getting her hair done. So she's here in Trenchtown today. You know?
can I'm say add me on the Instagram, Johnny
Yeah.
Vibes,
Johnny Vibes.
and Johnny Vibes 619 on the YouTube,
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's Johnny Vibes,
Instagram,
Instagram,
and can we do Roots Music and Johnny Vibes 619 YouTube.
YouTube. Say the Roots music.
Roots Music, engineer everything we do.
Wow.
Yeah,
So you're a singer yourself?
yeah, DJ, everything, produce everything. You know.
Wow. And say now we go do something, man.
Let's go do something.
Yeah, we want to do something so the
Got
viewers
the
them.
portal studio, everything.
Well,
We have a little studio.
we're here.
Yeah.
Okay, where? Oh, yeah, set up already.
Right.
Alright. So we're gonna check it out then in a bit then. Yeah, man. So you can sing yourself? Can you sing? Yeah? Let me hear something, man.
Alright. It's a Aero Donkey style cover. Ready?
Yeah.
Through the mirror of my eye, I can see people crying, people dying, people need to be loved. Through the busy streets downtown, everyone up and down. Some are begging, some are buying, some are crying. Keep the pressure down. And there stood before me someone preaching, let us change the world from its chain and distress. Let us build a unity and save this world from its falling race. You gotta keep the pressure down. Whoa, you gotta keep it down. Yeah.
Big up, big tune, big tune. Man's talented, man. Come on, man is talented. Right.
And I singing style and I do rubber dub DJ.
Yeah. So yeah, give a rubber dub.
Yeah, give him.
Yeah.
Ra-la-la-la, me and Kino say up on a race road.
Hey.
Shamana people them carry every load.
Hey.
I'm an happy tell them let the good times roll.
Hey.
Me and Mother Teresa wind up.
Hey.
Shamana say you me and boy I sip a cup.
Hey.
When me attack I say you chant rubber dub.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, yo, yo, the man is
Yeah,
talented,
man.
man. The man is bad. The man, that's the rubber dub style. Guys, you need to check him out on his YouTube channel and also on his IG.
I'm more active on the IG.
IG.
I'm not really on the YouTube. Me have just one little interview.
Okay, one interview.
Yeah, just them do on me, but it's on
Okay.
YouTube though.
Okay, so guys, I need to go and follow him. Me and a friend, why? What have I done? What have I done? Rubber dub style. That is it.
Rubber dub,
The man
that
is
is
very
it.
talented. I'm not
Yeah.
even lying. He surprised me. Whoa, you never tell me the man was this talented, man. Oh, go.
That's slip me for telling you know.
Yes.
Yeah man, cause you see, if I'm seeing set up an instrument and look at thing them, you know.
Yes.
The first me I hear him sing now, so I know say, man, him can do him thing. Him
Yes.
can do him thing, man. So
So,
I check out look at instrument them off around there and the mic and him thing and
of
you know.
course.
And so I go on, man. You see,
Of course.
no fluff, man. A Johnny, you know.
You see how the man does include the name in the song just now. At the first you hear that one, right?
First.
Alright, so you see that song we just did?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
That have got to be the Trenchtown song for you.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
Because it's a good
I have
vibe.
enough rhythm tracks already.
Yeah, but
Enough
see that
for
one there?
everything.
That one is a good
Yeah,
vibe.
man. I put up my one.
Yeah, he's
Right.
gonna like that one, you know? When the Rasta Jackson and the whole team link
Yeah,
up.
the whole team.
Yes, we're gonna like that one, you know? Definitely gonna like that one. That is the bomb.
Give thanks, you know, appreciate love.
Yes, man, guys, you need to go and check him out. You know, check out the IG and everything. So, how do you like it here in
I
Trenchtown?
love it. Me not leave.
Not leaving.
Me not leave the west side.
Hey, he's not leaving, guys. Listen, if he's not leaving, what are you waiting on? You know, he's not leaving. What are you waiting on? So, tell them how long you've been watching Kina Life in Jamaica.
Few years now.
Few years, you know.
So, yeah, I've been setting up for about 4 now.
Yeah. And the video kind of inspired you.
Yeah.
Yes, brother. You know, it goes. You know, life goes on, same way.
Yeah.
You know, and the journey will definitely continue. And we have Seal in there, you know, giving Caesar a good interview, you know, because, you know, this the ceramics. It's a good thing, good talented man, you know.
Big up the
And
craft, man.
yeah, and I'm always want to train the youth them,
Yeah,
you
big
know,
up
to
the
come
youth.
and learn it.
All the youth.
Yeah,
Picking up
man.
a trade.
Yeah, man, they need to learn it so they can at least them have a skills, you know. It will do good. And that is it, man, guys. So we're gonna walk some more, you know. So waiting and see now to come out and then finish. I'll just head down that direction there. Yeah, you see.
Community.
And everything.
I respect my community. I have to respect my community, you know.
Okay.
Of course.
First thing you have to do, you know, that's once can respect you. If you don't respect your community, you're not going to gain the respect.
Nah,
You see it?
have to show love and respect.
So where does the mud come from?
And the mud in our clay.
Sorry, the clay.
Clay, yeah?
The yard.
Over the yard, and just find right there. To find clay, you know, clay is like gold.
Yeah.
To find the clay, you have to go a feet. Or a feet and a half before you meet up on the clay. You see? So you have to get
Yeah,
it
so this-
The first time I had it was a place in Negril called the Yaki Tree.
Yaki tree.
You ever been to that restaurant?
No.
You need to go there. They're really nice, like Rasta man, he lives there. And he showed me his whole yard and he showed me the roots he makes to drink.
Okay.
And all his garden, his leaf of life and all that stuff. So
Yeah.
he had some similar stuff here.
Yeah, so this is the leaf of life here.
Yeah.
Right here, you know.
So what's up, you know?
This?
This, no, this.
Oh no, this tree is so what's up. But this, the leaf of life here.
Come on, leave for life.
I had it the first time and I couldn't believe when the man said Keenan can eat, you know.
Yeah, man.
I'm like, sure,
If
you know.
you don't have the food,
I'm gonna go wash it.
What if I leave for flag meat, you know?
But normally, but usually, yeah, you know, we growing up we always boil it for tea.
raw meat, it's same
raw.
way, raw.
And I didn't know that we could have eat it raw when I was in Negril. See there? So guys, I'm back at it again.
From a little,
The leaf
from a
of
youth.
life.
The first time I know about leaf of life.
Woo!
Is a spiritual woman from right on 3rd Street. Right where your grandma usually live.
Yeah.
Right, that's so she come and she have a table out and with leaf of life and water. Yeah man, she call each one of them and give her a leaf for eat and say good if you
How is it?
practice to eat it.
Nice. You wanna try it?
I tried some.
You try
Yeah
some?
man,
Yeah, it was
eat
good.
one man.
It's good, right?
It was good.
It's good. It tastes like June plum. You ever eat June plum? It's like a plum.
Yeah.
That is it.
So now just change from one to the next, you see?
So you just strain it with this. This is what I use to make the cups, them, and everything. See, I should put this.
Start coming up. Prepare your clean.
From here.
Yeah man, you have to know to prepare material first step back, you see?
So you're mixing it like you're making Milo, right?
Yeah man, mix it smooth out now. See how they make the bubbles there?
Yeah.
When it don't mix, them bubbles enough in it.
Okay.
So you know when they finish.
Okay, so you have to get up all the
All
bubbles.
of them bubbles up. When you see no bubbles now, you know, so yeah.
It's ready.
Get the bubbles out and strain it out.
You know this?
Yeah. See what this look? This?
Yeah. So that's
All of that, when we mix, you're not going to see none of that.
okay.
Same way this is still.
So how much more mixing you have to do now? This a lot more mixing.
Yeah man, go an hour more mixing.
1 hour
Yeah.
of mixing.
Little by little. I'm tired of take a break. Come back on it.
Really, you gotta do that for an hour.
Yeah, but I do it as exercise.
That's good, yeah.
You see if you don't meds away there,
Yeah.
it will go frost you out. So if you use it as exercise, little by little, step by step,
2 in 1.
you reach there, you see?
Yeah.
I mean, a Rasta man's life is a lot of exercise. Like, you're just taking care of everything you have out in the yard, you know?
Man. You have
Yeah.
to keep fit,
I've never seen an out of shape older gentleman in Jamaica.
Never.
You know, never. They're-
Always fit.
At least if they have a yard like this, it's not just because they're doing stuff, it's because they're eating good.
Eating good.
They're eating the leaf of life every day.
If you not do
Live-
that, man, you seize up, man, like a car.
Yeah,
The park.
live to 100.
And when the car park, all parts when it starts seize up and
Yeah,
malfunction.
You're,
So that,
you're telling me.
So your body,
So you have to keep
so
fit.
your body are going to pump. Are you seeing?
While working.
Yeah.
That is it, man. Alright then, Caesar.
All the man have with the big belly. I don't know some man have so much big belly and now.
Wow chef, you talk. You're talking about wow chef. Wow chef, what's going on here?
Chef have growing belly, man. You have bigger than that.
A lot of chicken back inside this
Yeah,
belly,
man.
you know.
Live of life. I come go start eat some morning time. You see
Not
them
come
thing.
like.
You need to.
Need to do that every
Eat the
morning.
leaf of
Eat
life.
leaf every morning. Flush out your system, man. Yeah,
man.
the things that around here, hey, it's something
Not making use.
with the mind they have to get some of them. But we have.
You ready?
Yeah, let's
Alright, Caesar. We catch up here.
What's up,
Yeah, man,
Caesar?
respect
Here, for
all
the
that,
dogs.
For the dogs.
Get here some dog food, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I respect
Alright,
it.
then.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, I know smoke.
I don't
No.
smoke.
Johnny?
Not much anymore, honestly.
Oh, you know.
Johnny's chopping up.
It's all good.
It's chopping up.
Alright.
So this is it.
In
So this
Caesar's factory.
is what Caesar's
Hey,
made.
Rasta know, Bonnie Merv.
Do you have some inspiration on the walls? Of course, we're in Trench now. We got Bob Marley, but I forget his name. What is his name?
I just last time.
That's Haile Selassie.
He's
King, that
Ethiopian.
And they're God. You see? So if the link see that, say, Rasta take time.
Esther, come here.
It's so good to come, for divine come. Follow no? Where are you sleep?
Yeah, in the palace, sleeping now, Tisha.
We have a warrant for your arrest.
Not. We bring a husband for you, Natisha. All the way from Canada.
Just wait a sec.
These are some nice plums.
Is this Natisha?
Yes, sleeping.
Did we wake you up?
No, watching football.
This is
Oh,
Natisha.
Wagwan. We're watching the Chelsea game.
Hey.
Big Chelsea fan.
No, Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Oh, Liverpool.
Oh, she's a Liverpool fan. So this is Seal from
Yeah.
Canada. It's Natisha. She's also one of the members that know, she give back.
Yep.
From what she received, the blessings, so she started to give back.
You got the hat. Dream team, make it work.
Yes.
So that's the foundation's name. And you guys built this house?
built my house.
Yeah.
Oh, they built your house. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. It's a nice place.
Thank you.
And so she joined the team and want to give back, you know, because of what everyone done for her.
So they do for you, and then you try to return the favor.
Yes.
Yeah. So this lifts you up, and then in exchange, once you get your feet on the ground, you try to stimulate the community yourself.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, respect.
Exactly.
That's dope. That's
you know,
dope.
so everything is done same way through
Yeah.
donation.
Well, I mean, that really shows how how to revitalize a community. Sometimes you just help a couple people, and then everyone comes together.
Comes together. Yeah.
After that.
And so you have to each one help one, you know, each one teach one. So you always have to try to help each other.
Yeah.
Because that's how it is here and this universe, you know.
These are decent sized houses.
Yeah, very
Compared to-
decent.
Some of the places here are very small. They're like
Yeah.
shacks. They don't necessarily have like proper roofs or whatnot.
no,
but like
no.
you make proper places here.
Yes, so that's what we're doing.
Good, strong.
Because these houses like where you're coming from Bob Marley yard.
Yep.
That's where most of the house them is like.
Yeah, exactly.
And
There.
then like some of them now you have joint like.
I was gonna say
these
like,
one, like
some are like this, and these like are something people live in.
yeah.
But
this is like not these one. And this is
I
like
know
a shop.
no one lives in this one, but this is just an example of something.
Yeah.
You
wanna
see this a
show.
lot. Wood sides and the tin roofs.
I wanna show one of them to you.
Oh, you got the hacky.
She got the hacky. Make it hacky Caesar rice.
Where's this come from? Your yard?
Yeah, my tree.
This is hacky.
That's nice.
Eat hacky Caesar rice.
Hey, one of these trees?
These are plum.
Oh, this one there. Oh, and he's up there getting the Aki. Aki man. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. To go and cook some seasoned rice. Wow. Aki seasoned rice.
Alright, Aki man.
Wow, chef. This is Aki in the shell. This is when Aki out the shell. Yeah. You eat Aki before?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
It's very good.
I haven't had, this time I've been in Jamaica, I haven't had it like cooked like Aki, Aki saltfish or whatever, but
yeah.
I tried it raw a little bit, but since this time in Jamaica I haven't had a good plate of Aki.
Yeah.
Is there a good place around here we could buy a good
No, man, the wow chef, he's the chef. He can cook some Aki for you. Look, that's in there in the tree.
Is he gonna make us some food today?
Yes, man.
Okay, then we'll do that.
He's the one to make food for you, man.
Yeah, okay.
So he is the chef. He's the chef in the team.
Oh, he's on the team. He's
Yeah.
the chef.
He's the chef in the team. We call him the wow chef. That's his name. Yeah, so wow chef, what you want today? Aki?
Yeah, let's do Aki.
Oh, I want some Aki today. So we're gonna cook some Aki today, wow.
Let's do it.
Let's cook them some Aki today right now.
Right now, sir. Wow chef said right now.
Right now.
So we have some Aki there. There's not teacher, no more Aki. Eat too much.
I cook yesterday, give me a cook today.
Too much Aki. Too many Aki. So today Johnny's gonna have Aki and saltfish and dumpling. You try the dumpling, right? Oh yeah, with chicken.
I like the dumpling.
I need some soft yam.
And some soft yum, yellow yum.
Make it taste original Jamaican.
Yeah. Oh chef, you're cleaning up the tree, man.
Yeah, man, I'm holding on the house up, you know.
Look now, wow, we have some here already, you know. Wow.
Oh, I pick all of them.
All of them. Now leave for somebody, man.
So you pick them and put them down?
Okay. Catch that.
Pick all of them, boy, and that make no sense.
All of them I pick up, I don't pick them up already.
Oh, you picked them already? Oh, and pick everything already, not. Thank you for that. What about plum? Plum finish? But this is the problem I used to have in my yard. The cleaning up with the plums. Natisha?
Them too heavy in the bag, I can't manage.
Every day I got this problem in my yard. Soon as you sweep the yard up,
I just sweep it, them come stone.
just play pure plum on the ground. Soon as these are called plum. Have you tried it before? I'm gonna let you try one.
Let me see.
You never tried it before. She gonna get some. I'm gonna find one there. These jokes, you know, you have to watch. They's got mackerels on them.
Nika.
Natisha, all these ones here now. Which one are the ready ones with these ones? These ones?
This one, then.
Eh? Let me see.
Okay.
Okay.
Take my gun.
Oops. Don't watch the green. Or the red one?
No, watch the greenness.
Mhm.
Them sweet same there.
Try.
I think we call these crab apples.
Mm-hmm. But now. Mm-hmm. The dish is it here. Uncle. So that is the, we have some of the buildings them over there as well, see?
Trying to get my bearings. Like, is this the main road that goes to downtown, or?
No, that leads you to the main road that takes you to downtown.
Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, this is the sign.
Well, Boys Town. Yeah, that side. What? Yeah.
So that's the main road.
Yeah, so this is the main road that takes
Yeah.
you down to the main road there to get there.
Okay.
So this is the studio. Studio underground. I know the stage will be up here where everyone will be performing. You know?
Is it open right now?
No, it's closed now. So this is the part of the development. Yeah, so go and tell me what it feel like up there. So this is the stage. You set the bands and everything. So guys, so this is the Trenchtown stage. Where you set the bands and everything will be setting up. I come and perform in front of the audience.
It's good up there.
Yeah, DJ then. Hey, hey, hey.
Bum bum be dum bum. Trenchtown. Bum bum be dum bum. Bob Marley. That's all I know how to do.
Yeah.
That's the only lick they told me.
Yes.
So that's what I'm gonna say every time.
I just say bam bam bilam bam. We in a Trenchtown. Bam bam bilam bam. Bam Marley hometown. Bam bam bilam bam. We run the whole place. Bam bam bilam bam. Musical be culture.
Bam bam bilam bam.
Bam bam bilam bam. We have seal from bam bam bilam bam.
Performing.
Yeah.
To a live audience.
That is it.
Yeah, good turnout here.
Yeah man, so this will be the audience then we're looking at out there.
Yeah.
This is what it feel like to be on stage right here. And underground is where the studio is.
Hell yeah.
You know? So this is the Bob Marley
So one of the more like famous studios in all of Jamaica.
This one is newly built.
Oh yeah?
They just built it.
Any of Bob Marley's music would you make in Trenchtown like?
Loads of them.
Really?
Yeah. Loads of them. Like Trenchtown, like each and every one of them here will mention about Trenchtown, and it's not only that one as well. A lot of them.
And so they came and shot some of the movie here, right?
Yeah.
So where were they shooting it exactly? Like
on all the streets.
All the streets.
Yeah. There was on this street as well for sure, and inside the museum.
Yeah.
Here it is, you know.
Yeah.
In the park here, all the way up in Trenchtown, you know.
It's a good time to put a video out because that movie's coming out in like a week, right?
A week. So these are the talented youth then.
Yeah.
Of the community as well.
Yeah.
Ooh. Kids them playing football.
Yeah, man.
Aye. So this is the talent of Trenchtown.
The talent out here?
Yeah man, the talent there man.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
He wants to spit something for me.
pure artist there, man. Artist there. Artist there. Some more artists there. Go on.
Yeah, and a key.
You know. So this is Seal from Canada.
Oh, Seal.
Yeah,
man. Seal.
Big traveler,
you know, it's real, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, well, you don't know, we have a new tracker promoter, just bought. I was say, we made it. Them I want to pay slip. Never won with the greatness.
Hey.
But we can't take the fakeness now. Watch them a go on with dating. But we not look no rating.
No.
Watch your fake smile, the aliens.
Hey.
Cause them can't change, so them stay still. That's how we stay chill. Because the block it ever stop badness, never stop dark up the place calling him. 10 o'clock brawling in front of Japan morning in brother that. Another day, another bat. But right now we make it out and stepping out. They could do all the foot now, they have to let you out. Them are watch it on the stage now every episode. And from we take the floor, now we taking tour. Key now we made it.
Just
them are watch it back.
slave.
Never won with the greatness.
Never.
But we can't take the fakeness.
No.
Watch them a go on with. Yo, you know it. Yeah, that one brick. Yeah, that.
Yes, give him a shout out. Tell him everything.
Yeah, man, hot job spot them for know. Hear that? All platform, IG, TikTok, YouTube, all them. You can't tell you. All like hot job spot.
Respect, man.
And you have artists on here as well. There's more talent.
Top Scott right here, man.
Yeah. So what's where you record here? This is the studio.
No, studio's one here.
Okay. One bring, brother. Respect.
So you have another artist here as well too.
One man. Yeah. And an artist here in Trenchtown.
Yeah, man.
You spit me something as well?
Yeah, man. So I feel like I hit. Reach farm and have time for quit. The whole world I wait for see the history. I stay far from the faith when I with me. Me still a prayer, man, and God bless fit me. The amount of fight we fight and take risk. Whole heap of this, now your soul see the victory. Yeah, I saw them soul see the victory. I'ma feel like, I'ma feel like. Yeah, I say I'ma feel like I hit this. I'ma feel like, I'ma feel like. Pop a buckle low champagne that I spill. Tears of joy when me look on me reach. We don't go beer me use buy some bleach. And I make on the beat with a conscious speech. Cause I say my greatness can't make them take it. Can't find a mission with the father journey. And I go see glory, that's all we need. Mommy be proud, you feel like. Bro, you feel like.
We met the other day.
Feel like I hate this.
You feel like, you good, man.
You feel like I hate this.
Did I meet you the other day? Downtown?
Look
like I am. Yeah, man. Believe at the end, believe at the first. As I wake up, you believe, yeah? Don't stop believe, try to learn. Like I feel like I hate this. No. Believe. No.
Artist. I'm an artist. So give us something an artist. Come on.
Put a record in there. Hey me lad, I know friends itch up on me and betray me God. Try style the thing but you them know me bad. Start chat by myself and them must say me mad. No long story. In that the place so me from nothing no pretty. Man have to try, man have to face nitty gritty. Glock for my belly, me say that well heavy out. Teddy me say ready, me say anytime you're ready. If you try stop the food, your body meet the Mississippi. We have hope and dreams in that this we tell your wishes. And when it kiss him neck, I only icky, cool like free, dark like cave, so them pretty. Dark, you know.
Dark, you know. He is them is talented here.
No.
See him
Believe the man.
We're not talking about later.
Believe every day, no. Believe every second. No, hey. Yo, the one I want to believe. Everybody just believe right now.
Right.
I believe you're going to make it. You hear that? Just believe.
One brings
Christ, man. Believe everybody.
One brings. So
one lane.
it's true that you're on here every
lane.
time. Yeah. Fully active. Manners. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.